When it comes to enhancing the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home, new window installations are an investment that truly pays off. Whether you're replacing aging windows or embarking on a renovation project in Ferndale, having a clear plan ensures a smooth process. Here's your ultimate checklist to help you get the most out of your new window installation project. Assess your needs before diving into the installation process. Take time to assess your needs. Are you looking to improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, or address functional issues like drafts or difficult-to-operate windows? Understanding your goals helps narrow down your options and ensures your investment aligns with your home improvement priorities. Tip: make a list of features you'd like in your new windows, such as double glazing, noise reduction, or UV protection. Set a budget. New windows are an investment, and costs can vary widely depending on materials, styles, and customizations. Establishing a budget up front helps you avoid surprises and ensures you find a balance between quality and affordability. Tip: don't forget to factor in additional costs such as labor, permits, and potential upgrades like custom trims or decorative glass. Research window styles. Different window styles offer varying levels of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Popular options include double-hung windows, classic and versatile, perfect for traditional homes. Casement windows, hinged at the side for excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Bay or bow windows, add space and character to living areas. Sliding windows, ideal for modern designs and tight spaces. Tip: visit showrooms in Ferndale or consult with a local contractor to see samples and discuss which styles suit your home best. Choose the right materials. The material of your window frames affects durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Common options include vinyl, low maintenance and cost-effective, with good insulation properties. Wood, timeless and beautiful but requires regular upkeep. Aluminum, sleek and modern, perfect for contemporary homes. Composite, combines the best features of other materials for superior performance. Tip: consider Ferndale's climate when choosing materials. Opt for options that withstand moisture and temperature variations. Focus on energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your heating and cooling bills while improving indoor comfort. Look for features such as low-E glass, reflects heat while allowing natural light. Gas-filled panes, argon or krypton gas improves insulation. Multiple panes, double or triple glazing reduces heat transfer. Tip: check for Energy Star ratings to ensure you're selecting windows that meet high energy efficiency standards. Hire a reputable contractor. Selecting a trusted contractor in Ferndale is crucial for a seamless installation. Look for professionals with experience, positive customer reviews, and proper licensing and insurance. Tip: request multiple quotes to compare pricing, timelines, and warranties before making your decision. Obtain necessary permits. In Ferndale, some window replacement projects may require permits, especially if structural changes are involved. Check with your contractor or local building department to ensure all regulations are met. Tip: tackling the paperwork early prevents delays and ensures compliance with local codes. Prepare your home before installation day. Clear the area around your windows, both inside and outside. This includes removing furniture, curtains, blinds, and any outdoor obstacles like plants or decorations. Tip: communicate with your contractor about specific preparations they recommend. Inspect the installation once your new windows are installed. Conduct a thorough inspection to ensure everything meets your expectations. Check for proper sealing and insulation, smooth operation of sashes and locks, absence of gaps, cracks, or other issues. Tip: address any concerns immediately with your contractor to avoid future problems. Enjoy your new windows. With your new windows in place, take time to enjoy the benefits they bring. From improved energy efficiency to enhanced home value, well-installed windows are a game changer. Tip: maintain your windows by cleaning them regularly and checking for signs of wear or damage. Final thoughts: installing new windows in Ferndale is an exciting project that can transform your home inside and out. By following this comprehensive checklist, you'll ensure a stress-free process and enjoy the lasting benefits of your investment. Ready to get started? Partner with experienced local professionals to bring your vision to life and elevate your home's style, efficiency, and comfort.